The Mirage 6 ATX PC case features a unique blend of genuine walnut wood and a high-performance chassis, making it a perfect fit for modern workspaces. Equipped with 4 pre-installed ARGB PWM fans, the case ensures optimum airflow and synchronized lighting effects that can be customized to your liking. Its dual air intake channels create a vertical airflow design, significantly enhancing cooling performance and system efficiency. With a Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 interface, multiple USB ports, and audio jacks, the case offers advanced connectivity options for all your peripherals. The case supports both water and air cooling solutions, allowing for the installation of a 360mm radiator on top and a 240mm radiator on the side. Designed to accommodate the latest GPUs, the Mirage 6 provides ample space and cooling, making it ready for high-performance graphics cards like the RTX 4090.